Today I'm going to make this Santa drawing. I'm trying to make it as cutesy as possible. So just please like and subscribe and do all that stuff, okay? Alright, let's do this. And if you want to make this, you might as well follow me. So first I'm just going to try to make the basic face. Maybe give it a bit of a turn. And then going down back to his beard. I may have some poofy stuff around the beard. Poofs. I'm gonna make the nose. Really cutesy nose. Continue with this.
Hey, no, I'm off the phone. What would you like to ask me?
A little with a cutesy face. Alright, there you go. A bit of the beard. Now I'm going to get a bit of a closer. So I'm going to get a bit closer so you guys can see. Alright, now you're going to make those ears. Make the eyeballs. And if you want to make it a bit more cutesier, maybe you can put a little blush on his cheeks.
When you saw your cordyceps?
I do? Oh, okay. Alright. Then you make this. There we go. That's a bit of him. That's just his head for right now. Now I'm going to make the rest of his body. We're going to put a bit of the neck. Alright. Okay, grab it. A chubby. You probably make him like a bit of a bowling ball. Make his stomach a bit wide. There we go. And maybe, alright, now we're going to make the legs. Short, but they're good. I mean, pretty good. Big chunky boots. Oh, I think that's it. Wait, I think that's it. Oh, I forgot to do the rest. Alright. This is what it will look like when you were done with them. Now, if you want to add some details, so maybe put some buttons. And maybe give us a bit of fluff, some eyebrows, because you don't want to make them weird. Alright, there you go. There's Santa. Well, thank you for watching my video. This is me drawing Santa, and I'll see you later.